Hey guys, it's Steven Mossbrucker from Legit Tech Tutorials. So I wanted to just kind of announce a um group that I've been working on a website called skool.com, skool.com. And this is kind of about my passion of hardware development and also my day job and about my small businesses. And as you've seen in the past, some of my tutorials and things like that, and also some of the things I teach on Udemy as well. So in this school group, I talk about developing hardware. So that's why the name of the school group is called Hardware Development. And in this group, I'm putting a lot of the things that I've learned in my day job and also synthesizing some documents that you can use as guidelines to start and run your hardware development business. So, what do I mean by hardware development? Hardware development is kind of like you kind of see here. Here's some of the examples. This is my very basic kind of show what I'm talking about. So, for example, here we have the Carvera. I don't think this is the Air. They have the new Air. Of course, on my channel, I've talked about shredders in the past. 3D printers. This is the Micron from Micronics. Boston Dynamics, a previous robot called their Atlas. Semiconductor equipment here, which is what I work on a daily basis. And then this is an Atom or a Wolf. What is this one called? Airwolf. This is an Airwolf 3D printer. So this is what I mean by hardware. So basically, it can have software as well, 3D printer, 3D printers, semiconductor, um, CNC machines, definitely robots for sure. This is a lot of hydraulics. This is a hydraulic system. Their new Atlas robot is all electric, but this is a hydraulic system, so this also comes into effect. So this is kind of what we talk about in the hardware development school group, and it's a lot about the main thing that the point of the group is to develop a presentation here to talk about basically a guide of how the whole system works. So this right now I'm at 59 slides, 58 slides, and I'm putting together kind of like a guide on how to develop your product, and then also the different phases, and to know when your product is ready for release. So when is your product ready for release, so you don't hit into all these different types of problems and cause you to have your good name damaged and things like that. So here I have different documents, different scorecards, Famika scorecards, bomb, kind of how to do a bomb to-do list, how to plan your to-do list, and then like a Gantt chart timeline. And I'll keep adding documents here and also keep updating my main hardware product development kind of pipeline or procedure. So I just wanted to talk about this because I really want to push this because it's really one of my passions, and I think school is going to be a pretty cool thing going forward. School is basically a paid, generally it's paid membership, like a Discord server. So it's basically like a paid server, Discord server, kind of like also a paid forum, but it's mainly a message board, as you see here. It's mainly a message board, but also a place where you can put classes and things like that, as well as in this case, I'm just using it for documents. And also, it has a way for the leadership to charge money for entry. And the main reason for charging for entry is to keep it exclusive and also to keep the membership engaged so that you don't have a whole bunch of lurkers, basically people that get in for free or whatever and never contribute. So go ahead and check it out. I'll provide the link in the description. Right now, it's set as of July 1st to $5 a month, but I may change it back to free to kind of increase the membership more, so I get a little bit more social proof. Because when you first look at the group, it won't have any, you'll just see this about page. This is the only thing that you can see. So I'll work on this also a little further, add some more pictures and things like that. So, um, I may turn it back to free until I bump up membership for another 2 months or so, because I'm also driving ads on this, and it just seems that I don't have enough social proof yet to start to take on paid members. Anyways, so just wanted to talk about this, and you'll see some pretty cool videos. And all of these so far are unlisted on this YouTube channel, and you can only get it by either getting it from somebody else, which for unlisted you need the link in order to view the videos. In this school group, I've posted all the links to go see the videos, but you'll see here I have these two are pretty fun to make. These are basically reaction videos to the Micron 3D printer from Micronics. And so you can go and check that out. And I look at Scotty's issue to why Scotty's issue with the Micronics printer. So basically, they sent out 5 printers. One of them had serious problems, basically operation crippling problems. So pretty cool. Analyze these. I hope to do quite a bit more analysis of different products. Another one that I'm trying to do now is the Titan submersible. Now, in order to get some, and then here I show one of my Micronics videos. Originally, I thought it was doing pretty well until this video from Scotty. And it's like, hey, they got some serious problems. So hopefully also do the Titan submersible and other things. I may start to make them available on YouTube in order to drive more viewers back to the hardware development channel. So go ahead and check out the hardware development school group. It may or may not be free when you check it out, and I will see you guys later.